This is Prabha from Exuberant Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare Keerai Masiyal. Let me tell you what are the ingredients needed for that. First, take 4 of raw green chilli, then dried green chilli fuel, then 2 onions, then 3 tomatoes, little mustard seeds with urad dal, then turmeric powder, then 2 teaspoons of salt, and I washed the spinach twice and kept it aside. These ingredients are for 2 bundles of spinaches. Let me chop it and tell you the procedure how to do it. I have chopped all those vegetables, and always make sure that whether all the dirt comes from the spinach, wash it twice and make it sure there is no dust. Let me keep the vessel over the stove. Then I add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil gets heated up, add the mustard seeds and the urad dal. Whenever I find time, in between I will tell you the importance of the ingredients whatever we are adding. First I am going to add some curry leaves. We all know that curry leaves. And also I added the green chilies and the dry chilies. And also we know that the curry leaves are rich in iron. Then onion, which will boost our immunity. You have to fry the onion until the raw smell goes. Let me put the tomatoes. Then once the onion gets fried, then you have to put the tomatoes. And whenever you are having the spinach dish, don't fail to add vitamin C content. We all know that tomato is rich in vitamin C. Now I am adding turmeric powder. Then I am adding the 3 teaspoons of salt. Always prefer the rock salt than the powdered salt. That will be very good for your health. Once the tomatoes were fried, add the spinach. We all know that the spinaches are rich in iron, so I added vitamin C, tomato, so this will be help for the absorption of iron in our body. Always make sure, guys, whenever you are taking the iron content dish, we should take vitamin C rich liquids like lemon juice or orange juice along with that, so that it will be easily absorbed in our body, and that will be make you healthful. Without taking vitamin C, if you are taking iron, it will not be absorbed. So always take the vitamin C rich content with your iron content. Allow the spinach to cook for 5 minutes now. Always close and cook. Now the spinaches were cooked. At least twice in a week, better to take a spinach in your diet, because the spinaches are rich in fiber, which will be helpful in remove the toxins from your intestine. And also, if you need little more sour taste, you can add little tamarind. This will be good for rice, and also you can use as a side dish for chapati or puri. This is a very healthy dish, so better to try it and utilize it. For this, no need to add water, because the spinach itself releases water. If you add water, then taste will differ, so no need to add water for this. This is a very healthy and essential dish. Once the spinaches were cooked, then you can smash it by using mixer, or You can use the traditional smasher like this. Now it is ready to serve. You can use it for rice or even for chapati, puri. This is a very healthy dish, and this is especially very healthy for children. So guys, taste it and comment me, and your comments will make me encourageable. Thank you.